How to use the autoresponder feature in CentraHub CRM. CentraHub CRM enables you to set automated responses based on contact activities. The following are the steps to set autoresponders in CentraHub CRM. Step 1. Log into the CentraHub CRM account. Sign in to CentraHub CRM. Step 2. The application would display the CRM dashboard. Access the settings. Click on the icon to open CentraHub setting. Step 3. Type workflow in the search box. Click on Workflow. The application will display the workflow homepage with its list. Step 4. Click on New Workflow to create an email autoresponder. Step 5. The application will display a new page with required fields. Enter the relevant details. Set conditions by using the Advanced filter. Step 6. Click on Actions in the Workflow list page to set the autoresponders. Set autoresponders. Click on Email to set workflow for email. Select the email template. Step 7. After entering the details, click on the OK button. An autoresponder would be set successfully. Get a free demo at CentraHubCRM.com, all-in-one CRM for any growing business.